Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas, and we're here today with the all-new Bobcat 260 with a remote start and stop feature. So, this demo unit just came in, just on the pallet right now. We're gonna unbox it. We're gonna check out some of the features, and we're gonna try and weld with it. So, let's jump into some of the specs. Now, this unit here, there's three different models. So, the first model is gonna be a carbureted gas unit. The second model is a electronic fuel injection, but it also has GFCI outlets. And then the third model is just an EFI, or electronic fuel injection. We have the third model. They all three come standard with remote start, and they're not even making them without that option. So, box off. As you can see, it's still in that same small Bobcat case. This is a 260 amp machine. So this unit here will MIG, stick, flux core, carbon arc, TIG DC, and TIG AC output. So I'll open up the door panel here just to give you a show on the inside. As you can see, it's the same features that a regular Bobcat 250 would have. It's got the Kohler motor, I think 23 horse, pretty reliable engines. Not too much goes wrong with them. On the back side here, we don't want to hit this pallet. But then on the back side, you can see our gas tank here. Here's our owner's manual, instruction manual. Oh, there's our little remote start key fob. Here's our oil drain. And so when we go to change oil, it's all on one side, gas and oil. We'll fold that back up. I was just looking for the owner's manual. Close that. Alright, let's see what this thing comes with here. So, on this unit, you can see it comes with the Miller Bobcat remote start stop fob. So it's a little key fob. I've never seen this before. I've never dealt with this before. Pretty cool. So, as you can see, it has the Miller insignia logo on there. Tells you how to start and stop the engine. So, press and release, press and hold for 3 seconds and release to start the engine. Or to stop, just press for hold 1 second and it'll shut off. So, pretty unique. We're going to give that a shot. Let's see what's coming with. It comes with our Kohler engine manual. Let's just see. Another warranty series and different on the Kohler engines. And then we got the Bobcat 260 manual. So like I said before, stick, MIG, flux core, and TIG. And also it'll do carbon arc. But let's give that thing, we're going to give it a shot here now. We hooked up the battery. We've got gas in the unit. Roll it up over here. You got on your protect your investment register online for the warranty. Take that off. And then we got our start and stop. So the beauty of this start and stop system that's so innovative with this unit is that, say you're on a job site, you're done welding, but your engine drive's still running and you're 40 feet in the air in a buggy or something, you can remotely stop this thing and then restart the unit back up, saving gas, time, going down, shutting it off, that sort of thing. So it's a time-saving investment buying this unit, because you can now just, with the click of a button, start it up, walk away, that sort of thing. So let's get this thing fired up and then we're going to give it a shot on welding. So obviously we can still start it like with the remote. You turn to run idle, lights up, you press that once and then you hold it for 3 seconds. See, I didn't touch the machine. It's all off this little key fob. So we're going to load it up, and we got something to weld out back here, and let's give this thing a shot. We'll try this out. So we got the Bobcat 260 out here on its skid. Brought it out with our SkyTrack. We got a little project that we're going to weld. We got it set. We're going to run 3/32 70/18. We got it set on that setting, and it says right here set at between 7 and 10 for power while welding. So I got it set at 8. I got my run idle on, so the machine's on. We're going to come over here, and I'll get my electrode, my fob out here. So like I said, just press that once, and then press and hold for 3. See how this thing welds it? Wow, very nice art. Really nice actually. I'm gonna find my chipping hammer, but let's shut this thing off. So the beauty of this is that we don't have to walk over to it. We can kill it depending on how long of our weld we have to do. But you can see I didn't touch the machine. It's all done with the key fob, so pretty sweet. All right, next we're gonna try this thing out. We're gonna disconnect and then we're gonna put it out a couple hundred feet. See how far away we gotta be for it to work. I'm gonna pace off a couple hundred feet here. And we're going to try this thing out. So I'm going to try and stop at 100, and I'm going to go 200, and then we're going to go a little bit further than that. So let's see how this thing goes. I'll pace it. So right now we're at about 100 feet. So started it there. Forward we're good. Alright, we're gonna go now. About 200 feet roughly. It fired up. We're roughly about 200 feet away. So we're all good. All right, let's shut it off. Now keep this in mind, I'm keeping it in distant or in sight, so you can't be obstructed from structures and that kind of thing. So we can't be behind some steel structure and then start it. So they say. Now we could test it though. Alright, so we're about 300 feet. We're gonna fired up 300 feet. That's pretty darn good. Told us we're all good. Let's see if it's shut off. Yep, shut off. All right, let's go another 100. So we're at about 400 feet now. It fired up. How about that? All right, we're gonna go another 100 feet. shut off too. All right, let's see. We want to keep our distance here. We'll keep it in there. We're at 500 feet now, roughly. Give this thing a shot. You hear it fire up? It fired up. That's pretty sweet. So we're about 500 feet. I mean, we're a long ways. You can see, we can't see, we can just see the Miller insignia on the side. No Bobcat, but that's 500 feet away. That's pretty darn good. Let's see the show. Yep, shut off. Very cool. That's pretty sweet. That's going to be it's very innovative, a game changer too, because we can run lead out and we can start it and stop it from there, saving gas, saving time, all kinds of good stuff. So pretty cool. So you can see the unit right there. Now I said it earlier about the obstruction and all that stuff. Let's walk. We're gonna walk down the street behind the sea container here and see if it'll start up. This fob should tell us, even though if we can't hear it. So let's walk over there. Now you can see we're getting out of sight of the unit. But we're only about, I don't know, 200 feet, so not too far. But we're behind these big steel structures too, so let's see if it'll fire up. Nope. Blocked the signal. Let's see it again. Nope. So the steel structure blocked our signal, so they were right about that. Let's walk around. So right now we're about, I don't know, 250 feet away, but we're obstructed. We can't see it. All these trucks are in the way. Just mobile steel structures, right? But let's just see if it'll start. Fired right up. So that being said, I guess the sea container might have been a little extreme on, but that is a steel structure. Now we can't even see it, but it still fires up. So kind of a good tried and true test point right there, but pretty cool. Let's see if it'll stop. Yep, shut off. All right, awesome. Well, thanks for watching my video again. So all in all, this unit welds nice. The remote start features obviously pretty awesome. I mean, we can be a long ways away and still fire this thing up. The price point on this unit is right around 5,500 bucks. There is a baker's bonus on this unit right now, and if you I don't know, there's going to be a bundle, but we're working on what we're going to put in that bundle. And if you need a quote or got any questions, leave a comment below and we'll be sure to get back to you. And thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more.